Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself needing to check your Adobe Acrobat serial number, but aren't quite sure where to look, this video is for you. Whether you're reinstalling Acrobat on a new computer, troubleshooting your license, or just want to keep track of your software, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to locate your serial number, quickly and confidently. Let's jump straight in. The first place to look for your Adobe Acrobat serial number is your Adobe account online. Now, this might sound obvious, but a lot of users forget that when you purchase or register most Adobe products, your serial information gets tucked away in your online account. Think of your Adobe account as your personal vault, safe, organized, and accessible from anywhere. Head over to the Adobe Account Management page. That's accountsadobe.com. Sign in with the same Adobe ID you used when you purchased or registered Acrobat. Take your time here. Your Adobe ID is usually your email address, and if you've forgotten your password, there's that handy Forgot Password link right on the sign-in page. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard. From here, look for a section labeled Plans and Products. This section is your software home base. It summarizes everything linked to your Adobe ID. You'll want to click into Products. That's where Adobe lists every piece of software you've registered. If you've purchased more than one Adobe product over the years, you might see a nice little lineup here. Acrobat, Photoshop, maybe something else. Next to each application, there should be some information including your serial number. It's usually a long string of numbers and letters. Don't worry if it looks intimidating, that's exactly what we're after. Jot it down, copy it, or screenshot it for your records. Just make sure you store it somewhere secure because your serial number is essentially the key to unlocking your software if you ever need to reinstall or prove ownership. Now, here's an important note. If you're using a version provided by your organization, like a business, university, or other institution, you probably didn't register the serial number yourself. Instead, your IT department or whoever manages your software licenses handles this on the company's behalf. In this case, you'll need to check the Adobe licensing website, sometimes called LWS. It's a separate portal, specifically for volume licensing. Once logged in, look for the Licenses section. That's where the serial numbers for all products purchased under the organization's account are listed. If you don't have personal access to LWS, you'll want to reach out to your IT administrator. They should be able to provide that serial number for you. This process might take a bit longer, but rest assured, the info is definitely retrievable. Remember, your serial number is the proof of purchase and the digital key to your software, so always keep it somewhere safe and don't hesitate to double-check if you're switching devices or upgrading your operating system. Getting a little organized now can save you a ton of frustration later. And there you have it, a quick, clear path to finding your Adobe Acrobat serial number, whether you bought it yourself or use it through your organization. If this helped you out, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or if you ran into any bumps along the way, just drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.